So hello and a very good evening YouTube. Not uploading many videos nowadays because super lazy and jaan pe aa raha, plus it's summer. So anyways, we have a really special bike on my channel once again. Now this is a 2010 CB400 SF matlab Street Fighter nahi, it's called Super 4, which has been completely customized and done up in a different way. This belongs to a really good friend of mine, Faisal bhai. You've seen his Busa on my channel before, and once again भाई गाड़ी बनाते लाके ड्रॉप करे, like okay I'll take it for a spin. 2 दिन से ज़रा काफ़ी घुमा फिरा मैं गाड़ी पे, and just warming up the engine a bit. घर के सामने बहुत किच पिच थी तो इधर लाके शुरू करा. So there's a great job done on this bike. Seat, especially single seat, है ज़रा अच्छी है, because originally the bike was supposed to look like this, and yes, this is the exact same bike. It used to look like this before. Yes, enough talking while standing here. Let's get onto the bike. There's a really great job done on the bike. The seat, for starters, I liked it. Ekdam soft, padded, nice, single. The custom paint job, the custom headlight, which looks really sweet. And apart from that, not much. Twin exhaust lagaye usko. The suspension on the back's been changed. This cafe racer style rear cowling is changed as well. And indicators, ye wo shoot mode, but nothing's been done up to the engine. It kind of sounds sweet. Kind of has a V4ish growl to it. थोड़ा chroming वोमिंग करे तो ज़रा retro but still modern look maintain करने के वास्ते. Anyways, rest of the stuff, let's get onto the bike and let's see how it rides and feels. So a lot of you have been complaining about the wind noise in my videos. मैं हर चीज़ try कर लिया, so finally I got this really big like dead cat, a tiny one for the tiny mic of the GoPro. अब वो लगा के कर रहा हूँ तो सही में I don't know how great the audio clarity is or how noisy or what the fuck वो editing के बाद ही मालूम होता, but उसका size को देख के I just hope it's just cutting out all the sound. So coming on to the bike, now it's been chromed up a lot. Apart from that, engine में कुछ changes नहीं करे. I think the injectors have to be a little bit more in sync. That's the reason why it's not the firing is not so smooth. It kind of sounds like a V4ish kind of sound, but we kind of like it. It's working, so he kept it that way. Because मेरे को मालूम कमेंट्स में ना तो भाई सेटिंग आउट दिख रही कार्बोरेटरों की, बोलते भाई कार्बोरेटरों की नहीं है, गाड़ी दिखती पुरानी लेकिन है नहीं. दिस इज स्टिल बीइंग मैन्युफैक्चर्ड. दिस इज अ 2010 मॉडल. अभी भी आप नहीं भी लेना चाह रहे तो सर्टेन कंट्रीज यू स्टिल गेट द न्यू वन, बट इट्स दिस रेट्रोइश शेप. So it's 200 kilos, produces roughly 52 horsepower from its inline 4 engine. That's the sweetest thing, and you can see the red line is all the way up to 15,000 rpm. Analog locks, 180 की speed limit. Very nimble, very comfortable to sit on. दो फैसल भाई के modification से थोड़ा ऊंचा नहीं, थोड़ा नीचे हो गई seat height, so you kind of sit like a cafe racer on it. Only thing, the handlebars are wide, so if this had like those झुकने वाले handlebars, it would be perfect. But maybe in the future. The visor, the headlight, it all just looks good. It looks well put together. A lot of people, जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ, believe नहीं कर रहे कि it's a custom job. It kind of looks like it came like this from the shop. Look, my reflection looks. क्या हारा ना मारे भाई. So yes, this bike, for me, the most unique and crazy thing about this bike is the sound, because it has VTEC. Yes, you read that right. VTEC kicked in, yo! Hyper VTEC. So basically, I don't know much about VTEC, but I think what it does is variable valve timing, some shit. So certain RPMs के बाद खुलते. So what that means is, in short, when you're at a certain RPM, at a certain throttle, the bike is going to sound very different, and then you hear that? The sound kind of changes. Let me just show that to you once again. in second gear. Now bringing the throttle, just notice how the sound changes. Louder! Now it's less. Now it opened up. So I don't know how good the mic is able to catch it, but that's something really crazy and unique to this bike. I mean, you're going slow, you're not twisting the throttle much, it'll give you a different sound, but you pin it, give it the beans, and after a certain RPM, certain throttle will put, the voice changes like wah बोल के चीख पुकारा शुरू हो जाता गाड़ी का. So that's like really sweet. And then again, this bike gives you those retro feels yet in a modern way. I mean, it's got a twin disc up front, single disc at the rear, no ABS, sorry guys. So modern bikers, modern reviewers may not like this. This bike doesn't get a whole lot of electronic aids and no ABS. So no ABS, oh my god, like, you know, मर जाते. Very retro, इसकी oil light, fuel light, ये वो, मतलब it makes you feel like you're living in the 90s, you know, 90s, early 2000s when you come 90s की feel. But how modern, I like the way the engine on this looks, you know. You might be fooled to think it's an A-cooled unit or something like that, जबकि it's actually a very modern liquid cooled 52 bhp 400cc decent engine. Inline 4 Honda की smoothness तो है ही है. I mean, this bike is 2010, but I still cannot believe how smoothly it rides and the power. Shit. It says 52 horsepower, but fuck, I feel maybe even more than that. The way it's delivered, oh my god! Yeah, that's about it for the short spin on the CB400 Super 4. Hit like, do comment if you guys liked it. I really love it. I mean, this thing as a daily rider, Interceptor का ही लिया बोल के सोच ले रहा हूँ मैं ये देखे बाद से. But then Interceptor का एक अलग मजा है, उसका भी video has to come up in my studio. So we waiting on that. एक तकलीफ है बस, अभी आईने नहीं लगा है इसको. So it's kind of difficult to move around. Oh shit, it's the cops. It's the cops. If they stop me, then I have no documents. It's time to fuck off. That's about it for the short spin, evening spin. And yes guys, I'm really sorry that I'm not uploading many videos. ज़रा क्या है ना, मार्केट भी ऐसी हो गई, जो बोले वो जाओ, क्या बोले वो डाल दे रहे. और सालिम खाला. So, you know, I don't really feel like uploading much nowadays. Shoot करो, edit करो, ये करो, वो करो, you know, kind of जान पे. I know you guys love my content, but still, and plus work's got me very busy. So that is one more reason I'm unable to upload as often as you guys would like it. But hopefully, probably, ज़रा थोड़े दिन ये summer हो गए बाद से, दिन summer is horrible time for riding because fuck, it's too hot here. Too hot, like 40-45 में गाड़ी चला रहे, वाट लग जा रही. So we'll wait till the summer ends. Probably plan something nice in the बारिश, टिप टिप बरसा पानी. Let's So hope you guys enjoyed watching the short video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.